Welcome to a journey toward success. We're about to embark on a deep exploration of the 17 laws of success. Picture success not as a random occurrence, but as a result of adhering to certain principles and laws. These laws, like the laws of physics, govern the outcomes in our lives. They are the unwritten rules that we observe consistently leading to success. So are you ready to dive into these success laws? Let's begin. First on our list is the law of clarity. This law emphasizes the significance of a clear vision and well-defined goals on the path to success. Being clear about what you want to achieve helps you focus your efforts effectively. So, how do you gain this clarity? Start by asking yourself what you truly want. Be specific, write it down, review it regularly. This not only clarifies your objectives but also keeps them front and center in your mind. Remember, clarity is the first step towards success. Moving on to the law of purpose. Imagine being a ship at sea without a destination. You're just drifting. The same applies to our lives. Having a purpose gives us a direction, a reason to wake up every morning. It's the driving force that aligns our actions towards a meaningful goal. When our actions echo our purpose, every step, regardless of its size, propels us towards success. Remember, success isn't an accident, it's a deliberate journey guided by your purpose. Your purpose is your guiding light towards success. Next up, the law of belief. This principle underscores how our beliefs can shape our reality. Imagine your mind as a garden where beliefs are the seeds. When you plant positive, empowering beliefs, you cultivate a mindset conducive to success. It's crucial to foster a belief system that propels you forward, not one that holds you back. Think of it this way: the more you believe in your abilities, the more likely you are to achieve your goals. Believe in your success and it will believe in you. Now let's turn our attention to the law of focus. This principle highlights the importance of concentration. Imagine your mind as a spotlight. Whatever it shines on becomes clear and vivid. Distractions are like shadows that blur your vision. To enhance focus, practice mindfulness. It's about being present, fully engaged with what you're doing. You can also use tools like time blocking or productivity apps to keep your attention sharp. Remember, where focus goes, energy flows. Up next, the law of perseverance. This law is all about resilience, about standing tall in the face of challenges and refusing to back down. Think of Thomas Edison, who made over 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, whose manuscript for Harry Potter was rejected by a dozen publishers. They persevered, they stayed the course, and look where it got them. Remember, perseverance is the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. Moving forward, we have the law of discipline. This law is the secret sauce to achieving long-term success. It's about making the right choices, even when they're not the most appealing. Think of discipline as your personal trainer, pushing you towards your goals. So how can you cultivate discipline? Start by setting small, achievable tasks that align with your goals. Consistently completing these tasks will build up your discipline over time. Remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Next, we delve into the law of continuous learning. This law stresses that success is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing a mindset of perpetual growth and understanding that every day is an opportunity to learn something new. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or listening to podcasts, there are endless resources available for continuous learning. So keep your curiosity alive, stay open to new ideas, and remember that every piece of knowledge gained brings you one step closer to success. Learning is the doorway to success. Now let's turn our clocks to the law of time management. This law is all about increasing productivity through effective time management techniques. It's essential to understand that every second counts. Prioritizing tasks and planning your day allows you to concentrate on activities that align with your goals. Also, remember that it's not about being busy, but about being effective. Procrastination is the enemy of time and should be avoided at all costs. Time is the currency of success. Spend it wisely. Next, we connect with the law of networking. This principle underscores the immense value of forging and nurturing strong relationships. In this interconnected world, your connections can open doors that would otherwise remain closed. So how can you network effectively? Start by genuinely engaging with others, showing interest in their ideas and offering value where you can. Remember, networking isn't just about taking, it's about giving too. Build a network that you can rely on and that can rely on you. After all, your network is your net worth. Moving on, we come to the law of adaptability. In a world that's constantly evolving, being adaptable is not just a nice to have, it's a must. Think of Steve Jobs, who pivoted Apple from just computers to music and mobile technology, or Elon Musk, who adapted from online payments to electric cars and space travel. Their secret? Embracing change, staying flexible, and always being ready to learn. Remember, the only constant in life is change. Success thrives on adaptability. Up next, the law of resilience. This law is all about your ability to bounce back from setbacks and failures. Life will throw curveballs, but it's not about avoiding them. It's about weathering the storm and coming out stronger on the other side. Building emotional resilience is key. Cultivate a growth mindset, learn from your mistakes, and don't let failure deter you. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Resilience is the key that unlocks success. Now let's give back with the law of contribution. Success isn't just about personal gain, it's also about enriching the lives of others and the community at large. Consider the story of billionaire philanthropist Warren Buffett. He amassed great wealth, but what truly defines his success is his commitment to giving back. His pledge to donate the majority of his wealth to charity is a testament to the power of contribution. Remember, success is not a solitary pursuit. Success is sweeter when shared. Next in line, the law of visualization. This law emphasizes the power of mental imagery in achieving your goals. Think of visualization as your mind's rehearsal. By vividly imagining your desired outcome, you're mentally preparing for success, training your brain to believe it's possible. Techniques to incorporate visualization into your daily practices could be as simple as creating a vision board or dedicating a few minutes each day to picture your success in your mind's eye. Visualize your success and bring it to life. Moving forward, we explore the law of intuition. This law holds a special place in the journey to success. It's that gut feeling, that whisper nudging you toward a decision. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, once said, "Intuition is a very powerful thing, more powerful than intellect." It was his intuition that led him to innovate and revolutionize technology. So, don't disregard that inner voice. It's often right. Trust your intuition, it's your inner compass to success. Next, let's shift into the law of abundance. This law is centered around the mindset of prosperity. Rather than viewing the world as limited, it encourages us to see it as a place overflowing with opportunities and resources. An abundance mindset believes there's plenty for everyone. It's about shifting your perspective to focus on the wealth of possibilities rather than scarcity. This mindset magnetizes success, drawing opportunities towards you. Remember, abundance is not something we acquire, it's something we tune into. Finally, we arrive at the law of gratitude. This law is about recognizing and appreciating the good in your life. It's about acknowledging the people, experiences, and opportunities that have shaped your journey. Cultivating gratitude isn't complicated. It can be as simple as starting a gratitude journal, where you jot down a few things you're grateful for each day. Or, it can be expressing appreciation to someone who's made a difference in your life. Remember, gratitude opens the door to success. And there you have it, the 17 laws of success. From gaining clarity, to harnessing the power of belief, focus, and discipline. From continuously learning, managing time, networking, adapting, and being resilient. From contributing, visualizing, trusting your intuition, embracing abundance, and practicing gratitude. It's time to put these principles into action. Start small, pick one law and incorporate it into your routine. Gradually add more. So, take these laws, apply them, and watch your success story unfold. Here's to your success.